Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first of all, congratulations to Palantir shareholders. I know a lot of you make money a lot from Palantir here. Okay, so Palantir has just released their Q4 2024 results. Okay, and in this video, I will go through with you, their performance. All right. So you see Palantir over here. I already covered this company since October 2022 for my BIA community. Yeah, you can see there's proof here. Okay, the date here, 8 October 2022, and there's a lot of comments, a lot of guidance. Okay, that with discussions in our Discord community. Okay, almost 4,800 comments here. Yeah, and I also covered Palantir since May 2024 for my YouTube channel. Okay, which is almost one year ago. And since then, the price has really fly up a lot. Okay, if from the date, from my YouTube channel is almost went up 450% already. Okay, yeah. So the issue right now is I know a lot of you make money. Okay, a lot is a life-changing money. And what to do next? Okay, for Palantir here, I know a lot. There's discussion. The price is very high and stuff, right? So what should we do now? So this is the main discussion, in my video, at the end of it, so I'll be sharing with you what is my next strategy for Palantir, all right? So without further ado, let's digest, on their earnings. Now, next, is their financial statement. So I will go through with the financial statement with you guys right now, yeah? So this is their latest results. I will go through one by one on the KPIs that I normally follow for Palantir, yeah? So first thing, of course, is their revenue. Impressive, this is what we call accelerating growth. They have been accelerating their growth for many quarters. That's why you can see the price keep on going up, yeah? And the latest one is around 36% growth, yeah? Revenue per share continue to go up. Okay, they didn't destroy shareholder value. I have no complaints for that. Okay, net income, yes, net income this time dropped. Okay, I will explain to you, of course, why later on. Okay, mainly is, of course, there's a one-time share-based compensation or SAR, share appreciation reward or something, because they hit a certain stock price. That's why there's one time, dilutive effect for it. So I have no issue, no complaints for that. Okay, because of the remarkable work that they have done. Okay, the employees there. All right. Next one is cash flow. Amazing. This company now they are a cash flow generating machine. Okay, this is the cash from operation, and then their capex so low, everything is turned to free cash flow here. Now balance sheet. Very strong company. Yeah, this is their total asset. This is their total liabilities. Current ratio right now is almost six times. Okay, and their cash ratio is at 5 times here. Yeah. Okay. Gross and net profit margin again at a very high gross profit margin, and net profit margin, as I already explained above. Okay, of course, dropped this quarter because of the recent one-time, share-based compensation. Okay. Next is their total customers. Okay, why I follow total customers is, as Palantir grows, the more customers they have, and we know their ability to, upsell, cross-sell their product, right? The more customers they have, there is a predictive, factor to let us know of their revenue growth in the future. So it's quite impressive, because I thought for the last few quarters, their total customer growth will slowly go down because the base got bigger, right? This quarter surprises me. Okay, to grow back 43%, because it's like 42, 41, 39. Then yeah, I was expecting maybe 38, 37, but they go up 43%. So that's why on that night, when they release the result, the share price popped 20%. That's why it blew past expectations, of everyone. US commercial customers grew 73%, on the latest quarter. Revenue per top 20 customer, strangely enough, this quarter they never give us these numbers here. Okay, so I hope next quarter they were able to reveal this information to us. Yeah. Okay, what's next? Operating leverage. As usual, Palantir doesn't need to increase a lot of their operating expenses, and yet they can still continue to grow their revenue. This one, there's a sharp spike. I already mentioned again. Yeah, the operating expenses increase because of the one-time share-based compensation. So by next quarter, they should normalize already. Yeah. Net dollar retention continue to go up. Okay, now it's the latest at 120%. I got no complaints. It's a very good number. Yeah. Share-based compensation as usual. Okay, as it's shown across the board. Okay, this one is around 34% of their total revenue for this quarter, and it's only a one-time share-based compensation. Yeah, so no need to worry for that. So this is the financials of the KPIs that I follow for Palantir. So this quarter, no complaints at all. Really performed very well. Okay, so the next one, as usual in my video, I always after go through the financials, then I will share with you the highlights. Okay, that I think is important for you guys to know. Okay, so that you can make a proper decision. Okay, for your stock, and we will go through the earnings call together. Yeah. So the things that I want you to know for here is this. Okay. Normally, the BIA community, whenever we follow a stock, we have what we call a research journal. So in a research journal, me and my another co-trainer, Derek, we'll always read or research a company. We'll put all the information that we feel is important for our members, and then they can read it, they can digest it, and so that they can get the same level of information as us. So that they themselves, they are confident, they have the conviction, they continue to buy, sell, or even hold the stock, and then make their own independent decision. So a summary for Palantir, this is what I wrote. Palantir delivered an even better quarter than Q3 2020. 2024. Yeah, their AI products are delivering results. Okay, demand from commercial customers are exploding. As you can see, their total customers that they have grown, just now I showed you, really grow a lot. Yeah, and government contracts remains a key driver. Okay, the company is of course well positioned, okay, for further growth. But as usual, okay, be more conservative. Okay, the main challenges, okay, for the next few quarters will always for Palantir, whether they can continue to scale efficiently. Okay, because the base is getting bigger. When I say the base is like the revenue is getting bigger and bigger. So in order to continue to maintain your high growth rate, it will getting tougher and tougher. So it will be interesting to see how they can do that for the next few quarters. Yeah. So the key thing for them will be this very high valuation. They must continue to maintain more than 30% growth rate. Okay, so these are the things that I want you guys to know. This is the summary. So let's go through it deeper right now. Okay, whenever we read the earnings call, the things that we always want to find out is the growth factors. Okay, because whenever you invest in a company, you want to invest for the future, right? Okay, when you invest for the future, can it continue to grow so that your share price can continue to grow also? Yeah, you don't want your company to remain stagnant. Okay, so the growth factors here, number one. Okay, Palantir has proven to us, okay, that their sales strategy, okay, is very powerful, okay, and they mainly use results, okay, to convince their customers to pay to convert them. So the moment the companies that their customers see immediate result in using Palantir's AI, okay, it will lead to conversion, repeat business, and expansion. Okay, and it has already proven. So now, like I said, okay, it's a matter of whether they can scale or not, okay, and they get more customers as they grow bigger. All right, so this is the first thing. Now, next one is this. Now, Ryan Taylor told us, all right, because there's one analyst asked him, okay, how do you feel, okay, on this your product, okay, and especially your EIP bootcamp here? Are you surprised, okay, that the sales cycle now has been shortened already? That means, you know, the period, okay, to convert the customer has become shortened already. So Ryan Taylor told us that, you know, I'm not surprised at all, okay, because of the energy we feel on the ground in talking to customers and the impact. Yeah, and they give a bit of a result that is quite remarkable. Okay, like one of their customers is one of the largest bank. Okay, one of the back office process work they use 5 days. Now they only need to use 3 minutes only. So it's a very big result, okay, that the customers get by using Palantir. So that's why it's a very high value proposition, okay, to be able to convert their customers. Now, next thing in the earnings call, what they revealed to us is this. This is by Shyam Senkar, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, partnerships are now real. No more time wasting meetings. Okay, you know why? What Shyam Senkar revealed to us, because last time Palantir is not unknown. Okay, and the customers it's like they don't really appreciate what Palantir is doing. You know, how is their AI product is. Now that suddenly this AI hype comes in, everyone is aware, everyone is know how important it is. Then only they realize, okay, how good and how important Palantir's work is. So last time Palantir's meetings are a waste of time. Okay, because why? These companies, they just want to say they met with Palantir, but they have no intention to work together at all. Okay, so now, okay, it's very different already. These companies are under pressure to deliver results, and they realize Palantir can help them already. So this shows us what, you know, Palantir right now has no issue selling their product. Okay, this is the conviction that I've already gained since I think 2 quarters ago. Quarter 3 further convinced me. This quarter 4 cemented my conviction. Yeah, they have no issue selling their product because it works and gives results. Now, the next thing that I dig out, okay, I want you guys to know is their role in the AI arms race right now. Okay, now they do mention and talk about DeepSeek AI. So DeepSeek AI breakthrough highlights China's rapid advancement in AI. Okay, so right now, this is like a wake-up call, okay, for the US government. Okay, and that's why now they need Palantir's capabilities to stay ahead in this AI war. Okay, which reinforces Palantir's strategic importance to national security. Okay, so in the future, okay, it bodes well, okay, for Palantir. So let's hope they can get bigger contracts, okay, for the next few quarters from the US government. Now, there's also discussion on Doge, okay, led by Elon Musk here. So Doge is actually a very positive catalyst for Palantir, okay, because the discussion there is like, you know, they say traditional government contractors, which is very expensive and inefficient, they are the one they should be fearful of Doge, not Palantir. Okay, because their purpose is to eliminate waste and stuff, right? Improve efficiency, reduce corruption. So this actually aligns with what Palantir is doing. Okay, value for money approach. So this benefits Palantir a lot. Okay. Then, as usual, I think if you all follow me from my previous quarter 3, I do mention about these two projects by the government, CJADC2 and Maven, right? In short, okay, they are still working with them. They are still working. Okay, they are expanding. Okay, especially in these 2 projects. All right, so we just need to continue to be patient, okay, because these projects could drive significant future contracts in the future. Yeah. Then the next one is this warp speed. Okay, warp speed is a new growth driver, okay, for Palantir, okay, because of the results that they give in terms of the manufacturing sector. Like for example, Enduro give a very strong testimonial. The moment they use warp speed, one of the products by Palantir, right, we have seen up to 200 times efficiency gain. All right, so again, this is a new product, okay, new growth driver. So let's see how the contribution is for the next few quarters. Okay, now lastly, the guidance. Okay, now another reason why Palantir's price pop is the very positive guidance, okay, by the management, and they even increase it. So for quarter 1 2025, they guided a revenue on midpoint, okay, 816 million. Okay, if you compare on the last year, that's a projection of 35% growth, and the market loves to hear this. All right, and for 2025 full year, okay, the management has been so conservative so far, right? Okay, and it's quite amazing that they are able to project a 30% growth, okay, for this year alone. So the market was really like it. They like the results. They like the guidance and stuff. Yeah. So even if it's so expensive already, the price, yet okay, the market decides to pop another 20% go up. So that's why now the price already above 100 something. Okay. So overall for this quarter, Palantir blew expectations. Okay, they really post a very, very good results. Okay. Now, of course, the next issue, like I said in this video, this is the gist and the most important, okay, that you guys want to know, okay, is what is my next action for Palantir. Okay. Now, before I go to this, okay, I have a gift for you guys. Okay, so please bear with me for a while. Now, you all know I do cover CrowdStrike also on YouTube, okay, since July 2024. Mainly it's because of the global outage that happened here. And that's when the 30% drop you all still remember here, right? But then again, if you still remember, okay, I do share a lot of videos last time. Okay, since here I got proof one, okay. And since then, I've already guided you guys, of course, together with my community also. You can see the price, yes, okay, has already went up slowly since then. Okay, since then here. So this is how we capture opportunities. This is how we see that when the price drop, for other people, it could be a risk. But hey, for us, for the BIA, we see it as a very strong opportunity because we see things that other people cannot see. And I already shared it, okay, to you guys in my video here. I already said, hey, this global outage, okay, yeah, it's a minor bump. Okay, it may seem hurt, okay, the reputation and brand. But as we go along, as we research, we found out, hey, no, okay, the financials, okay, I already went through you guys quarter 2, quarter 3 here. Hey, nothing wrong with Palantir. Customers are coming, they are signing up bigger and bigger contracts. So our commission get more and more, and we dare to buy more, we dare to hold, okay, this stock here. And a lot of our members make a lot of money from this stock also. Okay, so as usual, okay, CrowdStrike will be releasing their next upcoming results, their quarter 4 2025. But here's the kicker. Okay, listen to me carefully. Instead of me sharing, why not? Okay, I invite you to share, okay, to listen, okay, to my another, okay, co-trainer and also coach of my community. Now, his name is Derek Lau. Okay, he's also a stock investor like me. He's also a trainer like me in our BIA community. Now, CrowdStrike, okay, the main brains are behind CrowdStrike is actually, okay, Derek here. Okay, like for me, it's Palantir. Okay, Palantir, I very heavily focus on that. Okay, that's my stock. Okay, CrowdStrike, the main brains, okay, is actually him. Okay, so why not? Okay, you listen from the main investor. Okay, the main original investor. Okay, they found out CrowdStrike and decide and shared this stock at that time. Okay, so CrowdStrike, okay, will be releasing their results here. Okay, on Tuesday, March 4th, 2025. Okay, so BIA will be holding a special 1-hour live session with all of you. Okay, and this session is together, okay, with our paying members. Okay, we rarely do this, so please pay attention. All right, very rarely, okay, we will have this kind of session here. So you will be joining together, okay, with our paying members, okay, and attend our special 1-hour live session, okay, where Derek, okay, will be, dissecting again and sharing his view, okay, on CrowdStrike's earnings at that time with you guys, okay. So do block your date. All right, the date is on Wednesday, 5th March 2025. And the session, okay, will be held at 9 p.m. Okay, it's roughly 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Okay, so how to join? Okay, listen to me carefully. Step number 1, join our Telegram community. So you can take your phone right now. Okay, pause this video first, scan the QR code, join our Telegram, okay, or even click the link, okay, down below of this video here, and join the Telegram community. After that, okay, you just need to wait until Wednesday, 5th March 2025. All right. And then we will post our Zoom link in the Telegram group. Okay. I repeat, you need to join. Okay. Join the Telegram community inside there because we only post our Zoom link in the Telegram community. So you need to, after you join the Telegram, okay, wait until 5th March 2025 and we will post it on that day. Okay. On that day itself. Then the step number 3 is you need to click, register, and just join our session on that day. Okay, the Zoom link, of course, will be emailed to the email that you register with us. Okay, so this is how you will be able to join our special 1-hour live session. Okay, together with Derek. Okay, all right. So let's move on. Okay, to what I will do next. Okay, for Palantir right now. Okay, next is this. Okay, what to do now? Okay, what to do now? So this is the same exact strategy that I shared. Okay, with my community members, right? And I share it with you guys also. Yeah. So first things first is you must accept the fact that Palantir is insanely overvalued at price to sales ratio 92 times. I don't care whoever is saying, okay, that this valuation is how to say, is reasonable. Okay, I don't care. Okay, like it or not, 92 times price to sales is very, very expensive. Okay, I don't care how important or how good Palantir is. Okay, because looking at this metric here, it's very, very rare. Okay, or even mind bonkers, okay, to see a stock to be able to have this kind of valuation. So as of 5th February 2025, at that time, Palantir currently right now is 8.42% of my total portfolio. Okay, if you ask me 1 year or 2 years ago, yes, Palantir was very, very heavy. Okay, I'm very heavy on Palantir. Okay, almost close to 40%. Okay, 40-50% if I'm not wrong. Okay, then as the price continued to go up, okay, at the time, okay, from 15, okay, my cost price was 15, right? Continue to go up 30, 40, 50, even 60. At that time was quite crazy already, right? What I did at that time is I slowly trim off bit by bit, a small percentage. Each time, okay, it went up very, very expensive already, right? I slowly took profit of it, all right? So right now, until today, okay, even now the price already 100, okay, Palantir right now, I slowly remove it, okay, and as another of my other stocks also increase in price, right? So overall, okay, my Palantir right now is 8.4%. So right now, what I'll be doing here is I will just continue to hold and do nothing, because meaning the fact is, okay, I already took a lot of profit, okay, off the table already. Okay, a lot of profit off the table, and I'm right now, okay, very, very comfortable holding with Palantir. No issue. Even if it drops 50% or whatever, okay, it's only like affect maybe 4%, 5% of my whole total portfolio. Okay, so it won't affect my whole portfolio a lot. Okay, so I will just continue to hold and do nothing. Now, what about you guys? Okay, so it's up to you. All right, I know, okay, there's a lot of many YouTubers, okay, they keep on talking about Palantir a lot, and they're holding 30-50% on Palantir. They say it's the best stock ever. This is the once in a lifetime generation stock. Okay, it's stupid if you sell, whatever thing. Okay, I don't care. So it's up to you if you want to have a highly concentrated portfolio. Okay, because this is the risk that you're willing to take. But for me, okay, this I can only share with you what I'm doing, so that you can go back, okay, and think, okay, and then see how it will guide you on your next strategy. Because I don't want to let one stock affect the majority of my total portfolio here. Okay, my whole total portfolio. If okay, the question is if, okay, if Palantir crashes, okay, especially one which is very overvalued and supported by the market's euphoric sentiment. You all know Palantir share price keep on going up non-stop already. Okay, in my years of experience, okay, in stock investing, there is no one stock, okay, that goes up forever. It will go down. It's just that we do not know when. Okay, so it's how to say a good risk management. Okay, good risk management here. So if Palantir can continue to give 30% return per year, okay, I believe, okay, our other undervalued and performing stocks can do it also. Yeah. So that's why this is my view here. I rather reallocate okay, the profit from Palantir, which I've already slowly, okay, take it off bit by bit. All right. Okay, for the past 1 year already. I will rather reallocate the profit to another stock, okay, where the odds of making money lean heavily in my favor. Okay, that's when I decided to invest in a very highly performing company, but yet it's still undervalued. Okay, so this is in my favor. Right? This is how you should manage your portfolio here. The point right now is not being stupidly loyal to one stock. The key here is, okay, you are supposed to be loyal to your portfolio. Okay, the stock doesn't recognize you. Okay, but the portfolio is you, your wealth. It represents your wealth, right? Okay, so you definitely want to invest with a peace of mind for the long term, okay, and not keep worrying when quarterly earnings are near. So you need to follow a framework, follow the framework, follow the rule, and protect your portfolio here. Because you may get lucky once or twice by going highly concentrated. I know a lot of people get a lot of results because they put a lot of money in Palantir, they went up. Cool, good for you. All right. But this maybe you earn a lot of money for the first 2-3 years, for example. Okay, then what happens next for the next 5, 6, 10 years? Okay, because you want to invest, right? Are you going to go another high concentrated again for the next few stocks? You won't get that lucky again, right? So that's why there's a framework, there's a rule to protect your portfolio here. So my message to you guys is this. Okay, I put it bigger so that you guys know. You see, it's not only about thriving, that means making money during bull markets. But you must also remember, it's even more important, okay, to survive during bear markets, or if there's any black swan events that happen, so that we can compound our wealth for many years to come. And do remember the 2022 market crash. And this is what happened at that time. A lot of people went heavily concentrated into one stock. Okay, they say this is this time is different, and this stock is the one. Okay, is very, very strong. The price went up a lot. They are so happy they make 200-300%, but they keep on, okay, are so overconfident. One thing, okay, market crash happens, whole portfolio wiped out 70-80% because the stock also went down, right? Because of highly overvalued. Okay, so they went down, they lost money, and then from there on, okay, they have to slowly, okay, recover back the portfolio, which is very, very difficult. So I don't want investors to go through that again. Okay, so what I can share with you here is what I'll be doing for my Palantir stock. I already shared with you guys. So it's up to you, okay, whether you want to follow this guide here, okay, or you want to follow the highly concentrated portfolio, continue to hold, diamond hand, whatever. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so again, this is my video here. Okay, I do hope you get some value out of it. So see you, of course, okay, in my next session here. Okay, so again, do remember to join our Telegram group. Okay, stay there and wait until 5th March, and we will post the Zoom link, and you will get to attend our special 1-hour live session, and we will share with you the CrowdStrike's upcoming quarter 4 2025 earnings. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Okay, bye.